Agent Workspace is the command center for service desk agents. From a single pane, you can respond to tickets, see the context for issues, and get recommendations for resolving them. Agent Workspace benefits include: improve agent efficiency, work on multiple issues concurrently with an optimized, intuitive layout. Speed resolution, resolve issues faster with automated suggestions based on machine learning. Greater visibility, keep agents informed of all updates related to an issue with a live activity feed. Let's look at the default landing page and see how to install a premium ITSM landing page plugin. To navigate to Agent Workspace Home, type Agent Workspace in the navigator. You'll see a list of available modules. Select Agent Workspace. You're directed to a default landing page that contains basic scorecards and reports. How do you see which landing pages are available? Return to the Service Management portal and navigate to Landing Pages under Workspace Experience. 2 landing pages are available: the default landing page included with the base platform, and the standard ITSM landing page included with the ITSM Workspace plugin. We know we're seeing the Incident Overview landing page in Agent Workspace because of the lower order number. But what if we wanted a landing page that gives us a more in-depth analysis? How do you install a premium landing page? To install a premium landing page, go to the list of plugins and search with the keyword Landing. Install and activate. Now we'll see the new landing page listed in the classic view for Agent Workspace, and it's automatically assigned a smaller order number. Let's take a look at the new layout in the Workspace view. Refresh the screen, and it looks great. Work assigned to me is at the top, and there are additional reports along the right side. Great information in one view. For more information, see our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.